Hi there and welcome to my YouTube channel and raluca. In this video I'm going to show you how I did this Teal Smokey liner. I also did the twists, like I added some glitters, and I really love the end result, and if you love it too, make sure to watch this video to see the tutorial. But before we get started, also make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. I upload videos every Monday and Friday, and I pre-filmed a lot of stuff. I'll be going to vacation. By the time this video is up, I'll be off work. I'm not going to be in Greece just yet. And by the way, this look is inspired by my future trip to Greece. I'm just so excited that I decided to do a teal look. Anyways, let's get started with the tutorial, because that's why you clicked the video in the first place. Isn't it weird that I look all glam in the beginning of my videos and then I show up like this? So Teal Smokey liner it is. I'm going to start with a little bit of a concealer base, and I'll be using my Conceal and Define concealer from Makeup Revolution. A little bit on each eye, and I'll blend it in using a concealer brush. This is from Real Techniques. I've had this for I think more than 7 years. They just have great brushes. Whatever is left on my brush, I'm going to blend on my lower lash line. I'm going to set the concealer in place using a little bit of translucent powder. This one is from Too Faced. It's the Peach Perfect powder. Setting it all the way up to my brow bone. Today I'll be using my trusty Wahala 2 palette. This is awesome for greens, teals, blues. Look at that, it's so beautiful. But at first I'm going to pick up the shade Lit, which is a peach shade. I'm using a Juvia Place small buffer brush, and I'm applying this shade all over my lid to have like a base color. I'm gonna start my liner with a pencil, a black pencil. This is the Long Lasting Khol by Sphora Collection. Not really my favorite, but it's the one I have on hand, so I'm going to use it. So I'm doing like a little bit of a wing liner, but I'm not making it too long because we're going to elongate it while blending. I'm doing like a connection to my lower lash line as well. And I'm picking up my trusty Morphe M149 brush. This is a must-have for smoky liner, or at least another brush that has a similar shape. And I'm starting from the outer corner of my eye and dragging the product towards my temples. And that movement is, as you can see, it's fading the liner, making it look a little bit smokier. And again, connecting it to the lower lash line. And that is our base. From here you can basically do whatever color that you want on your smoky liner, but today we're going to do teal. I'll be using the same brush, and I'm going to pick up this dark teal shade from the palette. I'm going to use that to set the pencil into place. And again, I'm doing the same short strokes, starting from the outer corner and moving my way up to the temples. I'm not doing this kind of a motion, I'm doing this kind of a motion, because that ensures that the tail of the liner will be more faded. And I'm going to set the outer corner of my lower lash line as well. Next up, I'm going to pick the shade Jealous here. This gorgeous teal shade. This is my Morphe M507. I'm dusting off the excess. And that is going to go above the previous shade. I'm going over it a little bit as well. You know why I'm doing this look? Because I'll be going to Greece next week. And this is the color of the sea there. I'm literally so excited, I can't think of anything else. I'm doing the same motion, so starting from here, blending towards the tail, and same thing on my lower lash line. I'm applying it on the bottom part of the liner as well, so everything will look very smoky. And then when I have basically no product on my brush, I'm really blending into my skin. This literally makes me think of the Ocean Eyes song by Billie Eilish. With my previous brush, I'm going over the liner. I didn't pick any additional product, it's just whatever was left on the brush to kind of re-intensify in a way. And I'll also use it to make sure that everything is really well blended. On my lid I want something special, so I'm going to pick up the shade Gold here, this silver glitter here. I'm going to pick it up with a Makeup Addiction medium shader brush, and I'll be applying it here in the inner portion. I'm trying to blend it a little bit. Good thing I didn't do my face first, because this kind of fell on my face. And I don't know if I should apply it on my lower lash line as well. Okay, I guess we're doing it on the lower lash line as well. So I'm picking up the glitter and applying it on the inner portion of my lower lash line as well. I'm gonna try to clean this up and do my face off camera. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I did my face. I decided to skip false lashes for today, but I do have 4 coats of mascara on my lashes. To finish the eye look, I'm going to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone, and I'm going to use the shade Fame from the Wahala 2 palette. I'm first going to stamp it under my brow bone, and then I will stamp it in my inner corner. And I'm going to use the brush that I used to apply the teal and just fix the blending a little bit. Because with concealer and the powder and foundation, I went over the blend a little bit, and I just want it to look seamless. Moving on to my lips, I'm going to line them using the NYX Nude Beige pencil, overlining in the center. And I'm also going to apply the pencil all over my lip. I'm just going to do a little bit of a gloss on top of this. The gloss that I'm going to apply is the Fenty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fussy. Okay, so I did my hair and I filmed it. I think the video will go after this one, so make sure you subscribe to see how I did my hair. Why? Just like a sneak peek, I did a hair tutorial, and this is how I did it. Anyways, if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. I really love how it came out. It's a little bit different and weird, but I like it. I'm going to head to work. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I hope I'll see you in my next video. Bye!